Good morning guys, it's Dan here. How are you all doing? Got another car for the channel and here it is. This time there was actually no issues with it, so I'm going to show you now. Guess what guys, new car, 16 plate Mini. It's a good old wash. This is only a cheap car. It's got crazy miles on it, 153,000, but the last owner spent like, what did I spend? Nearly 4 grand on it, so it's had loads done to it. It's a new tyre there, brand new.
Dad?
It's a limited edition.
Daddy?
Yeah, 1 second honey. Another good tyre. It's got a few scuffs and that, but take it in the car wash.
Dad?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
What am I doing? Just gonna video this quickly. That's inside.
Daddy, look.
As you know, it's always a bit dirty. Oh
Dad?
yeah, you've got an air freshener in there, haven't they?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's got quite high miles this one.
Look.
Let's just close that.
Daddy? He's still a man.
Need to get a key, don't we?
Yeah. Downhill. Downhill. Downhill, Daddy. Yeah.
Yeah.
Daddy, me in. Me sit Mummy's car. Me mum car. Boom, boom.
This ain't Mummy's car. This is the mileage, guys. Nearly 150k, well over 150k. It's got obviously all the chili pack with aircon and everything.
Daddy, cold.
Absolutely stinks in there.
Cold.
As you can see, it's all mouldy. Everything is all mouldy. Oh, all mouldy everywhere. Yeah.
Everywhere.
Grim down there, but we're going to hoover this now. That's all dirty.
Oh, dirty.
Apart from that, no engine lights, no nothing.
Oh, dirty.
Drives spot on, which is all good.
Oh, dirty, Daddy.
Yeah, it's all dirty. I don't know what's going on with this steering wheel cover. I actually don't even know what it is, but I might take it off. Let's whip it off now actually. So this is it already. It's had a wash and wax and everything. Paid 25 quid inside and out. So there's the little beauty, little Mini 1 diesel. Cracking little car this is. It's got like little scuffs and that, but there's just nothing. Right, it's got nice tyres on it. It's very clean inside now. That's it inside now. Obviously it was proper minging and mouldy. Now it's looking very nice indeed. All the plastics trims all been polished and cleaned up. Door card. Smells nice and fresh. So there it is. So it's a limited edition. It's just had a new tyre on this one, I think it is, or the other one. Let's zoom out. There you go. It is really clean for its age. Also, you got to think this is 14 years old now. Let's get in. The side's nice and clean. As you can see, last time I couldn't actually pull this seat forward to clean all this mould because it had a pen stuck in the runner. So I had to drive it with like super long legs. I had to drive it. What am I about? I'm talking rubbish now. I had to drive it with a cushion just because I couldn't reach the pedals. Anyway, we'll see. This is the key for it. You just stick it in that slot. Alright, this is done. Oh, turn it off. All the radio works. Got aircon, 6-speed. start it up. Let's get it running. Warm up a bit. Right, so obviously you've got push start, which is down there. Press clutch down. And it's done 152, but that is nothing for this diesel. This car, believe it or not, has got about $4 worth of stuff spent on it in the last 2 years. It's had new flywheel, new clutch, new turbo. The receipts are just mental. I don't know why someone would actually, it was on 130,000 miles and it's had like 2,000 and something pounds spent on it. I've got receipts of it all. Who would spend $2 on a car? That's probably only worth $2 at the time, 30,000 miles. That was like 2 years ago, I think. That's mental. This car's only probably worth what? With this mileage, I'll put it up for 1,500 quid. So, you know, and I still haven't even had a bite from it yet for 1,500 quid with 8 or 9 months MOT on it. The advisories have been done. What possibly can really get for 1,500 quid for nearly a year's MOT on it? And it's diesel. No tax, which is genius, because why do you want to pay tax with our roads? Government sponges us with the ultra low already, so why do you want to pay tax in the first place? 700 quid for the Q7, 700 quid for the bloody Range Rover. That's why I'm contemplating even doing the Range Rover now, because no one wants to buy them because the prices are literally bottomed out like anything. Also, why do I want to pay £700 again? I'm trying to get rid of the Q7 because I don't want to spend 700 quid on tax. If I wanted to pay 700 quid on tax, I want at least like an M5, M6 or something. Something decent, not a freaking diesel. Anyway, rant over. So as you can see, it's nice and clean, all ready to go. Once this is sold, obviously I need to get another one. I've got so many cars to sort out and I just haven't had time to do anything. There you go, there's the ugly mug. How you all doing? Right, anyway, so long story short is I need to sell this. It took me forever to sell the Astra. I've got no room to keep on putting cars everywhere because I've got obviously loads of others everywhere else, and obviously I'm not going to use them for the flip because that's not how it works. I use this car and then I use the money for this to buy another car, and then so on and so on. I'm probably up to like four or 5 grand nearly now, so I need to work it all out and see what it actually is in total. But we're slowly getting there. Obviously this takes years, you know, you've got chop to top, but it's like it's took him 2 or 3 years to make 30-40 grand. It's not an easy thing unless you're just flipping them every single day, but they're so hard to get hold of where you try and find a bargain to get a bit of money out of them. So yeah, and obviously space. I can't have tons of cars dotted around everywhere because it just pee my neighbours off. Also, I'm probably going to do more content on fixing and repairing cars because I think that gets my views and my subscribers. This trading up series is getting no views or anything, and I don't know why. You've got other people doing it and they're getting like loads of subscribers, loads of views. I'm getting like bugger all. So if I don't get any more views and subscribers, I'm just not going to waste my time anymore, and I'm probably just going to carry on just doing you know, flipping the car, not flipping normal cars and just repairing them like my channel is, and not do the challenge, because I might just do the challenge in the background so no one needs to watch it, because it seems like I'm not getting any attention from it, from analytics or anything like that, and I'm not too sure why. Maybe, you know, tell your friends and that and everything else, and just get loads of people to view my channel and check out just that certain playlist of flipping these cars to obviously maybe a supercar. I'm hoping to get something like I don't know, an RS3 or something maybe, and then get that, have some fun in it, and then I'd end up getting a decent supercar for like, I don't know, 100 grand or something. But that could take 5 years. It's the end of the day, these challenges don't happen overnight. If you see other people, they're doing them for ages and they're still only on 30, 40, 30, even 20. It's not a quick rich scheme or anything like that. It's just a bit of fun, and obviously where I can fix cars, I can make more money from them, because obviously I do all the mechanical side of them. I don't take it to a garage, I do everything myself, so it's free labour for me. So yeah, I thought I'd just say that anyway. And obviously, like, my subscribers, I think I've got like 98% that haven't actually subscribed, so it doesn't cost anyone anything. So please like, subscribe, comment any thoughts or anything I could do to make this a lot better, this channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye.